This week, because of the extreme heat wave that we've been experiencing here in central France, I've been doing the mornings differently. And I'm going to show you a little of that now, and then we can reflect on what that means and what I've learned from doing that this week. It's very early. No one else is up and about. In about 20 minutes to half an hour, I'll start to hear noise from the quarry down the road. Not a huge, great din, but I'll know they're there as they start work. Through the garden gate and into the lane. Oh my goodness. We're catching the sunrise. It doesn't look quite as amazingly orange, vibrant, wonderful orange and red on the video, but it still looks okay. I'm being very quiet and letting you listen to the birds while I watch the sunrise and share it with you. The cat and the sunrise. What about that? A cat watching the sunrise. I think that's rather special.